Nowadays, these types of photos are trending every social media platform. It's very easy, guys. Just watch the video till the end. Let's start.
To create trending Shinchan photo editing, you no need to download any app. All you have to do is just open Google app, click on search bar, and just type Chat GPT. Just search it. Then scroll down and click on the search result. After sign in, you will see this interface. Now just click on this plus symbol, click on add photos. Now just select your photo. After selecting the photo, just click on ask anything and simply paste the prompt I have mentioned in the comment section. You can copy this prompt from pin comment, okay? And just click on send. It takes few seconds. By the way, guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't liked, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then do it, guys. It motivates me a lot to make more videos for you. Do join our WhatsApp and Telegram group for more ChatGPT prompts. It looks perfect. Now just click on this copy symbol after copying this photo. Just open your Instagram app, click and go to your story section. Select your original picture, tap on the screen, and click on paste. Like this, you can paste and adjust the sticker like this. It looks amazing. Just click on done, just click on three dots, save.